My name is Dr. Cheryl Jackson. I am so excited that you chose to come to our very first Visionary Board. You're the first ones for our Visionary class for Minnie's Food Pantry. And I wanted this to be a place where you understand that there are no boundaries, no limits, no boundaries for who you can be, who you can see that you can be. Everything that I talk to you from is going to be a place of transparency only for me. I don't know what you've gone through in your life. I don't know who, maybe perhaps in your life it was all, peaches and cream, and you had people pushing you everywhere you wanted to go. People say, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, right? But for a lot of people, that's not the case. Has anybody ever been told you can't do something? Just raise my show of hands. Okay, so I just want to make sure I wasn't the only person, right? Because I want to get you to think of just the most obnoxious thing that people are going to laugh at you if you say that's what you see yourself doing. And I want to tell you that if you can see it, you can be it. I just need you to see it. I don't want people to tell you that if you don't have a degree, that it can't happen. Because I'm here to tell you that if you have a decree and not a degree, everything happens. What am I saying? Whatever this vision is that you have for your life, you have to see it and you have to believe it. And you have to be persistent. But the most important thing is you have to do the work. And amazing happens when you really take the time and you don't allow anybody that's around you to take away from the things and those feelings that won't let you sleep at night that you know you're supposed to be doing. But for some reason, you just haven't done it. This is what this class is about. Letting you see yourself where you see yourself. Putting it on the vision board. Writing it down. What you put on this vision board is what you're going to see for yourself. Maybe in the next 3 months. Maybe in the next 3 years. It's up to you. But when you put these items down on the vision board, make a commitment to yourself that you're not going to let anybody talk you out of who you see you are. There is no way that when you press your way through to get to something that you are not rewarded for it. I promise you, Missy, you will be rewarded for why you came here today. So this moment is about you. This moment is about you taking an opportunity to say, who am I? Where do I want to be? How am I going to get there? Why do I want to go there? Sometimes when we talk about vision boards and what we want in our life, we need to know why. What's your why? What do you want to do? Tell me. And why?
This moment is about me.
Yes, it's all about me. This is the moment. This is the moment. And so I'm like, if you would stop and really think about all the things that you have achieved, but yet you're saying, I haven't done anything. You've done something. Celebrate the things that you have done. And then do it even bigger and better. That's what this moment is. That's what this class is about. When you begin to dream and you begin to walk into the reality of your dream, then everybody else will see who you are. I want to say thank you because I know that if you listen to what I am saying right now, you're going to be such a better you than you've ever been. And not only will I see it, but everybody around you will see it. And when they say thank you or something different, make sure you say thank you. It's going to happen. I want to say thank you because my mother always says nothing happens by chance. There's no moment that is created or recreated that you didn't create. And so God knew what you needed just for today. And just for today, may you live in a state of peace, in a state of joy, in a state of contentment that although you don't have it all, that my mother used to have this thing on our refrigerator and it says, we may not have it all together, but together we have it all. My name is Dr. Cheryl Jackson. I'm the founder of Minnie's Food Pantry, and I'm your visionary queen. Welcome.